Hey guys, and welcome to a new video on this channel. I'm Szabi from CodeRevolution. So many of you asked me how can you become affiliate of CodeRevolution and how can you promote the plugins that I create. So let me answer this question in this video. So I created this page. I will link in this video's description this page, the URL of this page, where I detail each and every step that you can make to become an affiliate of CodeRevolution. So first of all, you can become an affiliate of the plugins I sell on Code Canyon. So you can promote them and you will earn 40% of each new customer that you refer and 40% of each purchase, the first purchase that the customer makes. So if you refer a new customer to Envato and they purchase, for example, the Newsamatic plugin that I created for $49, let's make a quick calculation here. So 49 or 0.3, so you get $11.7 from just referring a new customer to Newsamatic. So this is real cool. And the nice part is that I also have a mega bundle which costs $2.99. So if you make 40% of $2.99, you will get $89.7 just for referring a new sale for the mega bundle. So yeah, this bundle includes all my plugins, so it is really easy to promote because the cost is really low because it includes 95 plugins right now. So 95 plugins are included in the mega bundle, and the future plugins that I will create will also be included automatically without extra charge. So if someone pays $2.99, he will get also all the future plugins that I created, that I will create, and all the ones that I already created. So yeah, and if you promote it as an affiliate, you will get $89.7 for each new sale that you generate. So it is quite an offer. Okay, so how to sign up for this? You should create an Envato account if you don't have one already, and you should apply here. So if you click here, please note the link of this page is in this video's description, so you should check this page and click here to be redirected to Envato affiliate site. You should fill in this form, or if you already have an Impact Radius account, because the Envato affiliates is using the Impact Radius platform, affiliate platform, you should click this. I already have an account, and click it and sign up with Impact Radius with the account you have. If you don't have an account, then you should fill in all information that it asks you, and you will get access to Impact Radius affiliate area. Afterwards, you can watch this video, which will explain to you how exactly you can get affiliate links for products. So this video covers how to use Impact Radius and how to get your affiliate links for the plugins that I create. And afterwards, you will be able to promote the plugins, and each new sale that you generate for newly referred customers will grant you an affiliate commission in Impact Radius. So yeah, this is the method. This is the main method I can recommend you. This is the most lucrative method. And the second one is to promote the plugins that I sell on my website. So this is the, if you click here, our products and CodeRevolution store, you will see here that I also have some plugins that are selling only on my website. So you can promote also these. If you sign up on the affiliate area page here, you will get 40% of each sale that you generate, and you will get an affiliate link also. And I will fill in here also the method to use to promote the courses I am selling on Udemy, because I'm also a Udemy seller and also have there some courses, and I will fill in here details about how to promote the courses I have on Udemy also. So check this page and you can go ahead and earn money with uh, promoting my products. Okay, so yeah, this is all for now. I hope you enjoyed this content. Please subscribe to this channel to get more similar news, updates, and features. And until next time, have a great day. Bye bye, and don't forget to stay awesome.